Now this was a series started long ago by our host Mr. Joy Almeida. Now due to technical reasons and pandemic of course, we couldn't continue with it. We are back again to continue with our series. Today we have been invited to this beautiful place, Wok Roll. Let's go inside and see what's on your plate.
Give your all, babe. Give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose or win, I give you all me. And you give me all of you.
As you all know, we are at Wok Roll today. This place claims to be 10-year-old. It was started by two owners who were working with Taj before. It's a pan-Asian restaurant with different varieties of dishes. And it's situated next to the Candolim river. It's perfect. Here with me I have pineapple and ginger martini. I mean it's summers and this thing is very refreshing. And this is the mango blossom. We have the Vietnamese spring rolls.
And I wish I could stop the motion just to get closer. You stood up before.
So I can taste different flavors, different vegetables. We can see there's carrot, there's cucumber inside it, there's spring onions. The taste is really nice. You surely give it a try. Thai garlic prawns. I don't know what to say. This is Thai garlic prawn. I must say it has a very exotic flavor. And now we are going to try chicken dumplings. Looks really nice. Now that was hot. It has a really subtle chicken flavor but it tastes really nice. We have nasi goreng chicken and chicken chili noodles. So good. These are the chicken chili noodles. And if you like spicy like me, you would definitely like this. Please give it a try. It's coming soon. It has a very sweet taste, maybe because of the shrimp paste which they have used in this. But overall, the taste is really nice. The special Wok Roll mocktail, as you can see, they have like a gola kind of thing going in this glass. Sip it and drink it as well. They say the end is always beautiful, and here to end our day with Wok Roll, we have this beautiful dessert which is known as darshan with mango ice cream. At the bottom we have the darshan and on top we have the mango ice cream. Finally we come to an end to this wonderful day with Wok Roll. I promise you we're going to come very soon with a new episode, so stay tuned.